YouTube family? How was everybody's day today? Today is such a beautiful day. Honestly, I don't see a cloud in the sky. It's freaking awesome. It's not too hot. It's not cold. It's freaking awesome. You can't ask for a better day. Today has started off so much better than it did yesterday. We're gonna make today a great day. Today we have, I don't know, we got a lot of kids at the camp today.
My best friend.
You want to say hello?
Hi. Oh my god.
I have many man.
Dicky Boo.
Dicky Boo.
And I think your shirt is on.
Want to say who you are?
I'm Ariana.
You want to say hi?
Hi.
Want to say hi? No. So, everybody, how's your guys' days going? I know you guys can answer me right now, but I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. This campground is absolutely jam-packed. I cannot. And then we sat here and we thought about it. This is the first weekend we're actually been here on the weekend. So, it just has to be it. So, we're guessing most people will pile out of here tomorrow and it's going to be an empty playground or empty campground. Well, we'll still be here because we ain't going anywhere. But today we are hoping to we're just gonna make today or this whole camping a good one, because we gotta show you Michael's new bike. Check it out. Check it out. What do you think of it? Check that out. What do you think of it, Michael?
Good.
Yes. Poor kid broke his bike the first camping trip. And we were able to get him a brand new bike, so he's doing good.
These right here, they grab onto the tires.
They can't.
Can't
Yeah, that's called the handbrake. Alright guys, we're walking over to the waterfall, which,
Barely.
if you guys have been following me and you've been watching the videos, you will have seen from the very first time to now. And the very first time, you guys couldn't even hear me. And right now, I could probably whisper to you guys and you guys can hear me. Because this is what we have. A trickle. It's a trickle, yeah. Matthew, or Steven's over there trying to make noise so you guys couldn't.
No.
Just skip around. I almost thought there was a turtle right over there, but it's not.
From this height, it's just not possible.
Oh, you're the one that made that ripple. I thought there was a fish that jumped right there at one time.
Fish over there.
See the algae starting to build. This is how we know right now. We need rain. And I know at some places this algae is so bad that it's toxic. I can't remember where, but they've been evicted from their homes, or they've had to leave their homes, because now I do know there's a fish right here, because I can see the stir. You guys cannot see it, but right down there, there's a stir.
Past that.
There's one right there too. There's a stir in the dirt in the bottom.
That'd have been it. If it would have been aimed right.
But I'm gonna tell you, it's perfectly flat for fishing.
Oh, that's it right there.
Oh! Whatever it was, it jumped. as with rock hit it, you spooked it. My guess is it probably was a little blue.
There's a bunch of fish.
A lot of bluegill like to sit up right up against the top and eat whatever crap. That rock went weird. I'm standing here watching it and it goes sideways. But there's people a couple people at the beach. We could go swimming right now. Eat some breakfast, go swimming real quick. When I mean breakfast, I mean more of a lunch. Because we didn't get up till 10:30, which was very shocking. The kids did get up a little earlier than me.
I did wake up at like 7. I'm like, nah.
Steven's now on a new schedule. He gets up all times of night right now because of his sugars.
3 in the morning, 8 in the morning. At least those. And then just test it throughout the day.
I gotta give him credit for that, because man, there's no way. I'd have to quit taking my sleeping pills because I have sleep apnea and I don't sleep. So I'd have to take pills. Well, I wouldn't have an issue at that point because I'd be up all night.
What would end up happening is I'd have to come in there, poke your finger, test your blood for you. So still, I'd be on the same sleep schedule.
But it's hard to believe. I mean, I said this park is packed. Look at there's a little minnow box. Somebody's got clicking minnows.
Huh.
Somebody's trying to keep minnows alive. So I'm usually kind of surprised that that's sitting there. But there's nothing. It's kind of quiet. You can hear it. It's for being a packed campground. The park has hardly anybody in it. I mean, this is the actual where you come if you're gonna have a picnic.
The free park area.
Yeah, it's the pre-park area. So I mean, people park here and they go swimming, or have a picnic, or go fishing, or whatnot. It's just it's empty.
I've seen this where every parking spot was filled, and the grass on both sides was filled, and they started parking on that side of the grass. Literally,
Yeah.
You could not find a spot to park.
If it gets hot, I'm guessing. Well, we're supposed to have a storm, but Sunday I'm guessing it's probably going to be packed here because it's going to get warmer, and it may get more people later today. So we may want to go swimming now. And if it gets packed, we don't have to use the GoPro for barriers. Because we pull the GoPro out, everybody moves away. But it's pretty cool. We got somebody here who watches me on YouTube, which is kind of cool. It'd be nice to have a lot of people. But then again, it might be kind of. Then it would be kind of hard because everywhere I'd go.
Oh, wait, come here. Ariana.
Alright, everybody, where we are. Woo, trying to get into the water.
Ariana.
If you guys watched our last camping trip, we just walked right in and just fell in. It was so nice. This time, it's probably, in all honesty, it's probably 5 degrees difference. But I'm gonna tell you, it's colder, a lot colder.
Feels like a 20-degree difference.
And we are about to hit the spot of, whoo, there's the spot that every man dreads to hit. And there's, yes, I have a YouTube channel.
What's it called?
Lewis Squires Vlogs.
What?
Lewis Squires Vlogs.
Okay.
I mean, I guess this is the best way to get your chair out.
Alright guys, we are going to shut her down because I do not want to kill the whole battery in just here. So we will, guys, we'll catch you guys in just, for you guys, in a couple seconds. So talk to you in a little bit. What's up everybody? We are done swimming and we're winding around. Kids are out playing some basketball, which is gotta have some fun. Look at there, did you see that? She shot one and made it. Where's Matthew? Are you not playing or what?
I am. You're out. I'm just staying in the
You're out already?
Yeah. Got it. I won.
No, I already beat you.
I won. Totally.
I made it right before her.
Aw, they're down here.
So guys, they're just shooting around, shooting some basketball. Like I said, this park is absolutely awesome. If you look, there's a soccer field down there. We got a volleyball,
We could play soccer.
basketball, over that way, which you still can't quite see it. What is that game called again over there?
Gaga ball.
Gaga ball. If you don't know what it is, you just gotta look it up because
Oh, can we play?
I can't.
I'd have to go up to the front and get a ball.
Okay.
You have to just look it up and then you can see the rules and you can see how to play it because I'm not even gonna try to explain it. It's a weird game, but it's fun. I love this
Go get
park.
the bike and go get a Gaga ball if you want to. Guys want to walk over if they want to play.
I don't. But if you want to,
I don't want
then-
to walk over there. I'd walk back, grab a bike, and ride up there.
Okay. And we can meet you right up there. I'll walk.
Take your ball
We
back
will
up
walk
and we
over
can-
there, and so they can see what Gaga ball is. So here it is. This is the Gaga ball pit. Here's the rules. So there you go. You want the rules? There you go. Pause your screen right now and you can read that. But my son's gonna go get the ball and you guys can see how it's actually played. It's not a bad game. It's actually kind of fun. I mean, if you have the room in your yard, this would be a fun thing to put in your yard. I mean, but he's gonna get the ball. When he gets the ball, he'll be right back and we will get that on camera. So just bear with us. So this is how you play it.
Come on. Stop it like that.
Oh crap! Oh good.
Michael, you're
It hit your knee.
Yeah,
Knee
you're out.
and below.
If the ball hits you anywhere from knee, you can only use your hands.
Scared.
Reminds you of like dodgeball, but you can only use your hands, and it bounces off the wall. If it hits you,
Now, hang on. It says
My heart is beating.
the last
so
person
fast.
with the ball touched is out if he goes out of the pit, so you're out.
I know. You get out. Dang it. I'm out. Ah!
Can't
you
stop it.
can't stop it.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, you
You're holding it.
touched my foot.
And you're out.
So if it hits you and
It kind of technically like went above my foot, but
Oh, bumped out. I know he was out too because I know I hit him.
it's a fast-paced game and
It is. Okay, it's only you.
way too fast for me.
No, grab it and then toss it in the center. One on each side. Just one gallon on each
Malia,
side.
you have to win.
Toss it in the center.
How are you out? Steven, how are you out?
I hit it out on accident.
I thought for a second it was gonna hit me, and I was like, oh.
No, don't. Neither one of them can go for it.
Yep. You can't hit the ball twice, that's for sure. You have to do this.
Or against the wall. As long as it hits the wall, you can hit it again. Or if it touches another player. So, and it bounces off the
Kelly,
wall.
you're out. Yes, not It hit you. It did. Touch hers. It hit you.
So there you guys go.
Now she's out.
Kind of get the gist. If it hits you,
Throwing the ball.
you can hit it, and
I'm not even in the pit yet. You're out.
if the ball hits you, you're out.
Below the knee.
Below the knee. And you can hit the ball only once.
No. Yeah. No, yes, it did.
Yes, it did. I saw it.
I touched her, I think.
Don't cheat.
I didn't.
You're out.
Yes, you did.
You're out.
You're out.
Oh, crap!
You're out.
No!
Hey, look up the rules. Build yourself a pit and play some Gaga ball.
Ready?
It's a good thing. Good thing for parties. Good thing just, you know. All right. We'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Well, guys, it's getting to be about that time. It's we just got done eating supper. Kids are out, I don't know, riding their bikes somewhere, and my son has went fishing. Hopefully he catches something, and it's always good when you go fishing and you catch something. But I'm just sitting here and I've been thinking, you know, people ask me, why in the world would you want to go camping? Well, what's the point of it? You know, you could sit home and you can luxury of your house instead of stuff like that. Well, my thing is this. I'm out here and I'm making memories with my kids. This is, and you know, one of the things I do is, you know, is I post vlogs for you guys, and I also do it for me and my kids. You know, I bring you guys into my life as, you know, to bring you, make you a part of my family and stuff like that. And I consider you guys all family, each and every one of you guys. But it's all about making the memories and me sharing this stuff with you guys and also with my kids. You know, we're here for a certain amount of time, you know, and we don't know when our days are up. And you know, my computer could crash, my phones could, you know, you can lose your memories on your phone, you crash your computer and everything's gone. But I feel that when I vlog and they're put on YouTube, you know, they're there. They're always out there. So if I was to say pass away tonight, tomorrow, next week, whatever, you can always look back at those videos, and my kids can always, you know, always watch them wherever they're at, you know. And I don't know, like I said, I love and enjoy bringing you guys along with me. It's, you know, it's just a simple fact. I like vlogging. I like bringing you guys along. But we're gonna, like I said, today it's went pretty good. Yeah, as you can see, I am absolutely freaking drenched. I mean, soaked. I haven't seen many mosquitoes, but I'm telling you, I am soaked. It's not definitely not air conditioned, I'll tell you that. But one just got back. How are you? Yeah, the same thing. Yeah, he's hot too. But we're gonna go ahead and end this for the night, and we'll start a whole new vlog tomorrow. So yes.
I'm skipping.
Oh, skipping rock.
Can I go fishing with Steven?
You have to ask him if that's okay.
He said it was okay. Yeah, I already asked.
Then yes.
Okay. Yeah. I am.
So holy crap, is that a big dog? See the size of that thing?
I'm literally so tired.
That's a big boy. But alright guys, we're gonna end the vlog here, and
Oh, I didn't know you were vlogging.
we love you guys. And again, it's an honor to be able to bring you guys along to all these trips that we go on. It's just, I'm glad that you guys are part of our family. It's, you know, it's a wonder. I'm having a good day. Good day. But, you know, be brave, be strong, and like I always say, remember, God always loves you. And just, you know, I've been tempted and we've been stressed for the last couple days with the flat tire getting up here. You know, it's all an inconvenience with stuff. We always have to think of stuff, it's an inconvenience. And, you know, life's always going to show us inconveniences, but, you know, we know that God still loves us, and we turn everything over to Him. So, until tomorrow, guys, we will talk to you then. So, we love you guys. See you tomorrow.